being Women's Month, we want to introduce you to a very special lady-in-law, being Jevonne le Roux. She's here with me, and we are going to get to know her a little better today in this interview. And I hope that you guys can understand why we chose her for this strong month, as she's a strong female herself. Jevonne.
Hello, Salomé. Firstly, thank you very much for selecting me. I am honored because you are a dynamic attorney yourself, and I look up to you and respect you a lot. Yes, so thank you very much for having me here.
And just for everyone to get to know you a little bit better, how did the small Jevonne le Roux, as a little girl, decide to study law? What inspired you to get into this man's world?
Well, I come from a family of attorneys. My father was an advocate, and he was also one of the youngest acting judges to ever be on the bench. And he is a very intelligent man, and that is something I always look up to. And the thing about law that inspired me was, if you're a legal practitioner, you get to learn a lot about many other professions in life. So if you have a case dealing with a medical negligence, you need to study up on the medical field and so forth. So I thought if I studied law, then maybe one day I could be as knowledgeable as my dad.
Yes, and of course you also have siblings in the law and many other family members, and even though we're not family, we share a surname and we have a very special relationship from when Jevonne was actually in high school. So it was an absolute privilege seeing this little teenager grow up to the beautiful, wonderful lawyer that she is today. And what do you think in everyday law is the difference that you make?
I do not have corporate entities as clients. My clients are individual people with emotions who have mostly been injured wrongfully due to collisions they were involved in or due to medical malpractice procedures. And it is such a rewarding feeling when you, after having walked such a long road with a client, are able to compensate them. And you can never give them back what they've lost, but the monetary compensation that you give them ends up changing their lives for the better.
Exactly. So in a way, we are in the same field of law, and we are in the same way trying to make the world a better place. Jevonne, vertel ons van een van jou mees spesiale momente in die law.
Een van my gunsteling herinneringe as prokureur is toe ek een week, vir 'n hele week omtrent, met een van my opponente beklei het en gestry het en so hard probeer het om 'n saak te skik, want ek wou onder geen omstandighede maandag maar vir Kent toe ry om die voor te gaan hardloop nie. En ons het op mekaar geskree en dit het redelik onaangenaam geraak, maar ons het eventually die saak geskik. Maar so 'n uur later, terwyl die man my weer en hy sê vir my, Jevonne, ek wil asseblief hê jy moet my saak oorneem teen die pad omgevoels.
Ja, nee.
En ja, nee, ons het toe by einde van die dag baie goed gedoen vir die man, so.
Dit is baie spesiaal. What do you think is your one wish for law and the law fraternity in South Africa in the future?
My one wish is to see more women in the legal profession, because I feel that us women bring something different and something special to the table.
Hallelujah. Thank you. Can you see now why she is our Women's Choice of the Month? Thank you.
Thank you.